So this is the last video before I repair the switch. You see that? See that? A little bit of grime down in there. Doesn't matter. You see that? It's really clean, right? Let me pull this apart because it looks bad. It really does look bad. That down there, that dissolves. That dissolves every time. Wash machine been apart for about 4 weeks now. I got all this BS clean. All with water, no big deal. So next time I go to take another video, I hope my loving wife will help me do it, because from this perspective, I can't do it myself. Washing machine will be out. Will be out there. That is your washing machine. That metal housing does nothing for that. Love y'all. I hope y'all fix your own shit. Because if you don't, y'all wasting a bunch of money.